use and the prostitution is really a dangerous habit for someone to adopt, because if you practice prostitution like today in Uganda, there is a high rate of HIV/AIDS. You can contract HIV/AIDS and you die young. And if you use drugs affect people's minds in that they don't think right. They lose everything. They don't balance many things. So it is better to function when you're sober than to function when you're hiding, because you've been puffed up with something you've sniffed. Sandiyagadde kuzoogera kubanga ezimu ziri premature nnyo, naye nga tulina ebirooto bingi mu maaso eyo. Tusikiriza tujja kuba ne institutions ezitraining abantu, Bible schools, training center egenda beerawo ng'ebintu bingi ebiyigirizibwa abantu. N'abazanyi be volleyball, basketball nabo bajja kuzanya. N'okulunda tujja kulunda ebyennyanja ewansi eri wokkirira mu kisenyu eri, katwatandika olunda enjuki, era mba mulina obudde esobola okubatwala ne mukungulako ne mulya ku mubisi. In that, sometimes it's because of frustrations, disappointment, or depression caused by hopelessness. So we keep them busy by giving them hope in Christ and training them to be skilled in different things. Just like I was discussing with Madam Lisa, she told me, can't we train your sound team? I said, yes, we can. So maybe we are going to make arrangements and train more, because this is a job. If someone knows how to operate the sound system, you'll be paid for that. Nina nyingi nnyo mu mutima, banyagala nnyo abavubuka. Ndowooza engeri gye nkyawulira nga ndi muvubuka, ate ovubuka navubuka nga ndi mu Yesu. Kati njagala nnyo abavubuka, nyumirwa nnyo abavubuka, nyumirwa nnyo okukola n'abavubuka kubanga mbategeera, bye boogera mbitegeera, entambula yaabwe ngitegeera, n'ebalooza mbitegeera. So abavubuka tulina programs nyingi nnyo gye muli, yonna gye muli, yonna gye muva, mwenba musobola tweyungako, mujje, temujja kuba bored wano, temujja kuba disappointed. Era ojje waffe wano mu service ojja kusanga nga 87% bavubuka.
Nice training. We will have engineering training in Uganda, because I see many, as you mentioned about for the noisy, actually is about the engineering setting. It's not professional. So we were getting the training to. We already have a showroom in Kampala. So soon we will bring our engineering team to getting the Uganda engineer coming to train the sound technician. And because we have the sound, the lighting, stage charge ID on a fully packaged the stage,